Workflow at a standstill because of the FTDI Device Driver NET Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix FTDI chip conflict for good. As we prepare to resolve FTDI Device Driver NET Library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the FTDI Device Driver NET Library, a .NET managed wrapper for the FTDI USB-to-Serial driver stack, enabling COS and VB.NET applications to interface directly with FTDI-based hardware. It abstracts low-level serial communication into managed APIs. If missing, software that depends on FTDI communication may fail with errors such as assembly load failure, or may be unable to detect connected FTDI devices. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. FTD2X.NET serves as a critical internal bridge for FTDI chip features, and you should download the latest version of your host program where you encountered the error to replace any truncated or damaged binaries to resolve the launch error. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered FTDI device driver NET library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Manual intervention with FTDI Device Driver NET Library DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with FTDI Device Driver NET Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing FTDI Device Driver NET Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.